everybody. Moose Center in the house. So today we are going to be doing a little sneak peek of a new skit that I'm making called The Wonders of Jama. And actually, if you're wondering why I did the Shop King, like the Shop King intro, it's just because I had an idea just to do that because I thought it would be funny. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the sneak peek. So this part right here is actually the Phantom cameras. All of these masterpieces, most are by Hyena 1. But yeah, most of them are by Hyena 1. But in the skit, these are security cameras of what the jammers are doing. So if you are a little bit confused, I just want to let you know that these are cameras because I was thinking about that. So yeah, there's a lot of masterpieces, and then we have Phantom Training over here. This is the first Phantom Training masterpiece. I still need to collect more, but the den is not done. I'm just tour guiding, so you know what, because I've already made the skit, but this video is going to be before I post the skit, so you know where everything is, because in that video I did not give a lot of description. I just, talked through the animals, most of that. Yep. So thank you for watching this. I hope you guys like the skit once it is posted. I'm still editing. But yeah, I think that will kind of sum it up.